Hello everyone, welcome to Kids Art. In this tutorial, you're gonna learn how to draw the Roblox. Kids Art, your first art class. We're gonna start from his face. It's based on the square shape with the round corner. Top of the face, we're going to use the curved line, then use the two curved lines connected with the face. Then we're going to do two oval shapes as his eyes. The eyebrow is from the curved line, one lower, one higher. Also with the smile face. He has the really cool hairstyle. The main shape of the hair, which is based on the oval shape, and the details composed of small spiked shapes, which is based on the triangle, use the straight lines. There is the big one, and then we're gonna draw another one. You can have another shape, but just remember, use the straight line drawing the hairs. After that, we're going to use the short lines draw the neck. After that, we're going to draw his shoulder. Then we're going to draw the body shape, trying to make your left and the right side even. Then the bottom one, it's a straight line. Connect with the two curved lines. The bottom of the body, it's based on the T shape, with straight line as well. The leg, we start from the two straight lines as well, and drawing the right side as the same, trying to make your left and the right side even. The bottom of the leg, it comes from the two straight lines, and then we connect one by one with the straight lines. After that, we're gonna draw the bottom of the shoes with the two horizontal lines. The shoes comes from the two curved lines. Then we do some design on the leg. You will see I draw left and the right side at the same time. Let's try to make the left and the right as the same. Pattern on the body, we start from the middle. We draw the vertical lines as the patterns. His two arms, we draw at the same time. It's like the left side you do the vertical line, the right side you do another vertical, and now do the horizontal line. Try to make them as the same. The shoulder by the curved lines and the right side as well. So you can compare, are they the same? We do the lines follow the curved line, draw the pattern. The pattern is the same as on the body. His arm, which is based on the really thin rectangle shape, and we draw with the straight line first. And his hand, we draw with the straight line as well. It's like the C shape in the middle. Well done, guys. We finished the drawing. Let's coloring now. First color, we use the light blue, coloring the hair. Trace the triangle shape. we use the same color drawing on the leg. Slow down, take your time. Trying to coloring all the space, do not left any white gap. The next color is the dark blue. We use this color coloring the hairs. And we use this dark blue drawing some patterns on the hair. This shape based on the triangle, which looks like the shades on the hair, make it looks more 3D. Use the same color, let's coloring the shirt. Start from the left one, then skip one white line and coloring the next one. We will use the red coloring the white part. Same on the shoulder. Start from the left one first and skip one. Also the right side. Start from the outside one first. And we use the same color coloring the leg as well. The next color, that's gonna be the red. We use this color coloring all the white gap on the body and the shoulder. He has the red shoes, so we use this one coloring the semi-oval part. Then we use the skin color, start from his face. If you don't have the skin color, you can use light pink or peach instead of it. His neck is the skin color, and his hand use the same color coloring it. The rest of the leg, use the skin color coloring it. Well done, guys! Thanks for your hard work. If you like to learn more drawing, please push the like button and subscribe our channel. Thank you. See you next time. Bye!